Hello children, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Now, once again I'm back here to take your maths class. Now children, in the previous class we have completed looking back. I have sent you the answers. I hope you are doing it in your maths notebooks. We have done mental maths also, the first two exercises. The next two exercises were given for homework. I think you have done them. Now children, mental maths you will do it in your books only, like I have done it. But innovative maths, the sums, you are going to do it in your notebooks. Okay? You are going to write only the answers, but you have to do it in your notebooks. You are going to put the exercise, name of the exercise. For example, like today's exercise 1A, give today's date. Number 1A, write the answer. In this way you do it. But in your notebook, you have to do innovative mathematics maths. All the sums. But mental maths, you can do it in your notebooks. Okay? Don't copy any sum from your innovative maths. Don't copy any sum. Don't copy any question. Only write the answers. I hope I'm clear to all of you. But please do it in your notebooks. Okay? So let's start with exercise 1A. Those who have the books with you, you can take out your books. Okay, those who have the books with you, you can take out your books and turn to page number 4. Page number 4, Innovative Mathematics, page number 4, exercise 1A. So let's start. See children, exercise 1A. Fill in the boxes and write the numbers so made. The first box is done for you. Fill in the boxes and write the numbers so made. The first one is done for you. Now children, see, here are blocks given. Blocks are given here. Now, if you count the blocks, you will be able to see, or you will be able to find out that this one is the thousands block, this is the hundreds block, this is the tens block, and this is the ones block. Again I am repeating, this is the thousands block, it's written only, you can see. This is the hundreds block. That means here are how many blocks are there? Here are hundreds block. If you count and see, there will be, you will be able to find out there are 100 blocks. So how many 100 blocks are there? 200 blocks are there. Here are 10. This is the tens. This is the ones. So how many thousands blocks are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's why it's written 4000s block. How many hundreds block are there? 1, 2. That's why it's written 200s block. How many tens block are there? 1, 2, 3. That's why 300s block. How many ones block are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's written 5 ones block. So 4, 2, 3, 5. That's why written, see, 4, 2, 3, 5. 4235. See, 4235. Very easy. See the next one. How many thousands block are there? 1, 2, 3. That's why I have written, see, 3. How many hundreds block are there? 1, 2, 3. That's why, see, I have written 3. How many tens block are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why I have written 4. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I have written 5. So 3, 3, 4, 5. So in the box you will write 3, 345. 3345. I hope you will be able to do the third one. How many are there? Thousands? There are 2 thousands. 1, 2. So 2 thousands. How many hundreds are there? See, count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 thousands are there. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 thousands. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are there. So 2, 4, 6, 4. 2, 4, 6, 4. So this is 2464. Right? It's very easy. All of you will be able to do it. So these are the numbers made. Now children, in your notebooks, you will write only these. Only the numbers which are made. For example, you will write exercise 1A, number 1A. Only you write the answer 4, 2, 3, 5. B, 3, 3, 4, 5. C, 2, 4, 6, 4. In this way you do it. Okay? Next, come. Number 2. Read the abacus and then the numeral and the number name. So in your notebooks, no need to do all these things. Only you will write the numeral and the number name. Okay? Only you will write the numeral and the number name. So see, in the thousands place, how many beads are there? Only 1. Hundreds place, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thousands place, how many are there? Just count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And ones place, 1. So in the thousands place 1, hundreds place 3, thousands place 6, and ones place 1. See, in the numeral I have written 1, 3, 6, 1. So what will be the number name? 1661. See, I have written 1361. So in your notebooks, you will write just number 2A. You will write numeral 1361. Number name, in words you have to write 1361 like this. No need to do all these things. Okay. Next, B. Again count the number of beads. Here in the thousands place 1, 2, 3 beads are there. Hundreds place 1, 2, 3, 4 beads are there. Tens place 2 beads are there. And in the ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads are there. So I have written 3, 4, 2, 6. So what will be the number name? See, 3426. See the numeral and then write the number name. See the numeral and then write the number name. First you have to count the beads. Then you have to write the numeral and then write the number name. Count the beads, write the numeral and then write the number name. Next, C. See how many are there in the thousands, please. You have to count the beads and write the numeral and the number name. This, please do it on your own. I'm not going to say. Okay? Number 3, A and B. Number 3, A and B. This you can do it in your books. The numbers are given. See, 7, 9, 8, 2. You just have to draw the beads. That means in the thousands place, there will be 7 beads. In the hundreds place, there will be 9 beads. In the tens place, there will be 8 beads. And in the ones place, there will be 2 beads. Here it's written, see, 7589. So in the thousands place, 7 beads. Hundreds place, 5 beads. Tens place, 8 beads. And ones place, 9 beads. This you can do it in your books. Number 3, A and B. Okay? No need to do in your notebooks. Next, come, number 4. Write the numerals for the following. Write the numerals for the following. Now children, here the number names are given. you have to write the numerals. That means you have to write in numbers. In words, it's given in the question. You have to write in numbers. Write the numerals for the following. Don't copy the question. Only write the answer. Number 4A. 3611. 3611. That means 3611. 3611. 3611. For your better understanding, you can do one thing. You can write on top ones, here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. That in that way also you can do it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 3611. Next, 6952. See, 6952. 6952. 6952. Next, 1817. 1817. 1817. 1817. 1817. Next, 2101. 2101. That means 2 will be in the thousands place. 2101. 2101. 2101. Next, 9009. 9009. That means in the hundreds place and in the tens place nothing is there. So we are going to put 0 and 0. 9009. 9009. 9009. 9009. Okay. Only you will write number 4, A, B, C, D, E. Only the answers, all these. Okay, no need to copy the questions. Only the answers. Let's go to the next one. Number 5. Write the number names for the following. You have to write the number names. You can do it in your notebooks, very easy. The first one, 4265, 2893, 3760, 5200. Next, 4706. For your better understanding, you can write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. I told you. Here 9070, 6008, 2222. Okay. See. Please do it in your notebooks. Number 5. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Only the number names you have to write. Nothing else. Okay. So till here we are going to do today. And next day we are going to continue with number 6, 7 and 8. So I hope children you have understood what I have taught today. Still, if you have any doubts, any queries, any clarifications if you need, please ring me up. From 10 to 5, I'll always be there. I'll be available to help out you people. Please ring me up and clarify your doubts. Okay? No more for today. We are going to continue with this exercise in the next class. So till then, stay home, stay healthy, stay happy and enjoy learning. Thank you.